Welcome back to another video in the Simplicity Studio and Tools series from Silicon Labs. I'm Martin Looker. In previous videos we created the Bluetooth Blinky application, updated its Bluetooth GATT database and added support for a second button. We then exported the project so it could be compiled and flashed using the Visual Studio Code IDE. I've now added code to simulate battery level changes when the second button is pressed. And in this video, we'll explore the application using the Simplicity Connect Bluetooth mobile app. Now I've updated the GATT database and my code, let's return to Simplicity Connect to see the changes in action. The Blinky demo app only shows information for the button and light. So this time I'm going to stay on the Scan tab and connect to the Blinky example from here. Once connected, the interface provides general access to all the services and characteristics in the device. It's essentially a Swiss Army knife for interacting with Bluetooth devices. I can read back the manufacturer name string value that was updated in the GATT editor. Similarly, I can open the battery service and read back the initial battery level value of 100%. To receive automatic updates, I can click the Notify button. Now, when I press the button on the Pro Kit, we can see the battery level decrementing by 10% each time before it jumps back to 100%. If there are writable characteristics, like LED control in the Blinky example service, values can be written remotely. Writing a value of 1 here will turn on the LED on the Pro Kit, and writing a value of 0 will turn it off again. Having proved the Bluetooth parts are working, the next step would be to add some hardware to monitor the actual battery level. You can find links to the other videos in this series in the video description, along with information on using Simplicity Connect. If you want to be notified of new videos from Silicon Labs, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.